Hello friends, my name Adit. Today I am going to show you Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Its model number is MK215. This is good Logitech MK and backing this. Let's see, this is mouse. This Logitech mouse, nice, good running condition. Let's see. It has 2 AAS battery. In this it have no lights, LED lights in it. Mouse, and there is no power on off button, so it lag, but that's okay. And this is keyboard with it. This is adapter, only one adapter, so it is good combo offer Logitech. Yes, it all to triple A batteries. Good good looking soft keys. I ordered from Amazon delivery was good. I buy it for about 1100. Today I'm going to show you on my laptop. This is my laptop and I'm plugging the adapter is, see this, it is working nicely. So that mouse is also working nice. I'm going to show you the keyboard working good. Let's see. Let's see, type anything. That's my name, Adit AD. Working good. Keyboard is also good. Thank you guys. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.